So for this conditional probability question, we're wanting to find the probability of A given that B has happened. So we'll first, you could remember the formula, of course, we'll show you that in just a moment, but I want you to also be able to think through this, which will help bring the formula to mind. So we've got the probability of A intersect B here, and we've got the probability of B. So let's just draw a picture. This is A, and if this is B, probability of A intersect B is this overlap of the red and the blue circle. We know that that is 0.4, 40%. Let's just do it with numbers, I guess. Let's call it 40%. I think it's easier than decimals. And then the probability of the whole blue circle is 90%, 0.9. Well, we've already accounted for 40% here, right? And so this portion that's not in the red would be 50%, right? 40 plus 50 gives us the 90. We'll do that, thinking of the pieces. And so what we have when we go to look at this part, remember this is a conditional. Given B has happened. B has happened means that nothing else outside of B exists. We know that the blue circle has happened. So we can cross out anything. We don't need to know what's in A. We don't need to know anything else. We know that this blue circle has happened. Well, what's the total of the blue circle? The total of the blue circle is 90%. And we're just getting back to basic probability that we take the total of what could have happened, or what, and we divide it by what we're looking at. I tend to call it the good things, or not always good, but what we're looking for. And what are we looking for? We're looking that A had happened. That's 40%. Okay, we'll use our percentages here. This gives us 4/9. Okay, and that's the way we do this. Now, we could have also used the formula that the probability of A given B is equal to the number in A over B, or A intersect B divided by the number in B. And that's kind of what we did here. We think, okay, this could be like if there was 40 things here, 50 things there, 90 things, counting. So the same type of process using this formula. And maybe if you use the formula, if you remember it, it could be straightforward. But if you remember this picture, you can always develop it from there. So again, just using the formula, okay, what's an A intersect B? We could do it with decimals as well. 0.4 divided by 0.9. You can plug that in. 0.4 divided by 0.9. We said we get the decimal equivalent, but if we also want to write it as a fraction, we can see that this would reduce down to multiply both the top and bottom by 10. You get 4/9. Okay. But these numbers are the same. It just depends upon what form they want it in. And if we go and check our answer, there it is, 4/9. So we'll keep building on this and moving forward. Thank you.